Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 9, Power Query Challenge, Dealing with Errors. Dealing with errors in Power Query is a crucial skill for ensuring data integrity and accuracy. When you encounter errors, the first step is to identify and understand the nature of these errors. Power Query provides error messages and highlights the affected cells, making it easier to locate issues. Common errors include data type mismatches, missing values, or calculation errors. To handle these, you can use the Replace Errors feature, which allows you to replace error values with a specified value, such as a placeholder text or a default number. Alternatively, you can use conditional columns to create logic that handles errors more dynamically, such as filling in missing data based on certain criteria. For more complex scenarios, custom functions can be written in Power Query's M language to detect and correct errors programmatically. Regularly reviewing and cleansing your data with these techniques helps maintain the reliability of your datasets and ensures more accurate analysis and reporting.